again at the original UK fried chicken in Birmingham. It's Sullys UK fried chicken in Birmingham on Shaftmore Lane. Come inside and I'm going to show you what we've got on the menu today. Okay, so I've got the menu in front of me, and they've got a few new options now at Sullys original UK fried chicken. What they're doing now is they're doing the Munchbox deal, which I think is great. You get a chicken burger or cheeseburger, fries, 5 onion rings, 3 niblets and 1 drink for £8. Or you can get 2 burger meals for a £5, and they started from August to the 21st of September. And what we have on the menu here, guys, as you can see, we have loads of deals and offers in store, and they're all amazing deals, and I'm sure they're all going to be great. You guys should come down, check it out, and give it a try. Give me some comments and let me know what you guys think. We've got the guys working in the back. They also do fantastic pieces here as well. Into more detail. So we've got all these deals here, as you can see on the menu. Deals are good, prices are good, food is great, and on the back we've got the pizza menu, and as you can see on the pizza menu we've got a variety of options for you guys to try, and I've been hearing that the pizzas are really nice as well. I've just ordered some food now. When that is ready, I'm going to show you guys what we've ordered, and you can have a look at it, and you guys can come down anytime, try it if you're local. So, right guys, we're outside the shop now, and these are the special offers they've got on the pizzas. So you get 2 regular pizzas for £8, 2 large pizzas for 15, or 2 extra large pizzas for £19. They've got a lot going on in this store. A lot going on. One of my favourite shops in Birmingham. The original UK, Sullys original UK fried chicken. So guys, if you're in the area, here's my surroundings. If you ever drive past, or if you're ever in Birmingham, give these guys a try. You won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. We've placed an order. We're waiting for our food to come out. When it comes out, I'm going to show you what we've ordered. Okay guys, we've come round the back now to see our burger, and it's a chicken fillet burger. That's a double stack one. So guys, this is our Munchbox being prepared now. As you can see, the burger is being prepared. We're going to show you how all this is done. Going to get you behind the scenes footage on all this. The guy was kind enough to give us the opportunity to film and show you how it's done, so you know exactly what you're getting and what you're paying for. And as you can see, you've got all your fresh chicken, and we've got 1 cheeseburger, 1 chicken grilled burger, all nice and fresh. And we are going to see what else is going to fit in the box. We've got the doner kebab, which is nice and juicy, very tasty. It's being prepared now, being cut straight off the roll. As I mentioned in my previous video, they don't use any pots to place the doner in. It comes straight off the roll, straight onto your box, your plate, whatever you're going to have it on. It goes straight onto the grill after it's been sliced. And yeah, the doner's just going to get grilled now. Yeah, very nice. This is how everyone should prepare the doner. Not all shops do like this. They like to take shortcuts in the pots. And we've got onion rings coming out. Our box is being loaded up with your nice UK fried chicken fries. That just looks lovely, that does. You got your doner, you got your burger, you got your onion rings, you got your chicken. What more can you ask for? And all this for what? £8? You can't go wrong. So guys, as you can see my munch box, there's one item missing, and which is my burger. I've had my burger and I've got all this to go through as well. It's great value for money, guys. You know, it's a big box. Don't think it's small. You know, I've seen big mans come here and they couldn't finish this. So that's telling you something. The food is great, very nice, very satisfying. So guys, come give Sullys UK fried chicken a try, based on Shaftmore Lane. And yeah, the guys' staff are great in here. They've got loads of offers in store. Guys, as you can see, the original UK fried chicken in Birmingham. Yeah. And also, yeah, forgot to mention, we've got a slush machine here as well. Yeah. Very nice. So guys, I'm gonna end this video now. The munch was great. I don't need to say how it was, because as you can see, and as you guys are aware what UK fried chicken's reputation is like. So, but like I said, everyone is different, every branch is different. So come to this branch on Shaftmore Lane and give the guys a try. Original UK fried chicken. I'll see you in the next video, guys.